match the buttons on the blouse. And it's really important to pay attention to these kinds of details, and you only get one chance to make a first impression. How do you feel?
I feel excellent. I feel like I've done the job.
When you gotta go, you gotta go.
You'll find movies to put a smile on your face. Visit our website, mnetmovies.tv, and discover a world of silent Mnet Movies comedy and other Mnet Movies channels, as well as featured articles and recommendations on what to watch. The next movie will be starting soon. To find out the title and more about the film, press I now on your remote to access your electronic program guide.
Sometimes he's not even trying. Seriously, he's clinging, he's terrified of being by himself. You know he's from here.
How'd you like Jump Street, man? Hey, I got a big raise to babysit you. You like high school? You only like you about 50. You going to NC State. I need time to speak on you.
I'm back here. Hilarious shirt and signals we drink alcohol. It's the same case. Do the same thing.
It's not exactly the same case, because one of us got laid last night. We're talking missionary. We're talking missionary. We're talking when I'm on top and she's on her back.
That's good to this whole world. I heard someone's bringing a ton of that stuff down to parts of Mexico for spring break.
What's your name?
That's you.
Sorry.
It's not that. Close your eyes and tell me who's talking right now.
We gotta take your thing to the next level, guys.
Spring break. Why are you good there? You right?
Órale, vato. Hey, my partner, you want to see a brother? Where'd you find this girl, though, man? Go for these songs, cousin.
I'm your best nightmare. I'm your worst nightmare.
You know what I say? I say if you've got a problem, there's a food out there with the answer. Feeling bitter about something? Eat sweet. Seriously, just eat the opposite. Run down, burn out. Eat fresh. Why? Because food's the be-all and end-all, baby. Why else do people say things like spice up your life or talk about getting saucy? Because when you eat food, you bond with the world, and not in that horrible way either. That piece of yummy goodness goes in your mouth and it really becomes you. Now you tell me, what could be sexier than that?
On Sunday.